Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and welcome to a slightly unusual first look hands-on. If you're wondering why our intro is slightly funkier than usual, no, don't worry, I haven't lost the plot, although we are 6 weeks into lockdown. It has in fact funked itself up because of this little guy, the Sony ZV-1. This is Sony's first camera purely designed with vloggers in mind, packed full of features to make recording your life so much easier.
Oh, it's really echoey.
Not quite ready for you to see that bit because firstly, I just want to tell you that there are 3 very important things about this camera which make it the perfect vlogging tool. Numero uno, the design. Featuring a large, vari-angled flip-out screen which flips all the way round, as you can see there. So it's not going to be blocked if you pop anything on top of your camera or if you have the camera on Sony's Bluetooth grip. It's super lightweight. Now, if you're not a gym goer like me, this is going to be perfect for those long days of vlogging. No more achy arms. And we have got a really simplified button layout as well. Look how big that record button is right there. Big old on-off record. Absolutely perfect, no more fumbling around to try and find the button that's on the back of the camera when you're staring at it from the front. Numero dos, 2. Number 2, visual and audio quality. Close your eyes for a second.
And to show you exactly what I mean by that, I'm going to take you along for my evening run. The image stabilization, the steady shot, and how lightweight this camera actually is as to whether I can hold it the whole time that we're running. This is quite a good bit to test as the sun is setting right behind me, so I can't really see anything with my sunglasses on, but better to have them on than not. See if I stay well exposed and in focus. Should try cooking. All you fitness vloggers, I'm doing this for you. I made the mistake of not putting on the dead cat that you get in the box, so I thought actually I'd come for a walk now and show you the audio which you would have heard from me running and panting of just the mic that's coming from the camera, and I'm now going to put the dead cat on. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sounds attractive, so that you can hear it with this. So if it's windy, hopefully you'll be able to hear less. Less wind, obviously, not less of me. There we go. Okay, so now Little Muffles is on there, and I figured now that I'm walking rather than running and panting, it would also be quite a good test to see how well the clear face, clear view, it's got a technical name and I can't remember what it is, but just how good it will keep the exposure on my face, which I think I was chatting about while running as well, but oh, look at that. Nice. I'm still doing alright, innit? I don't even know if you can tell by the video whether it's actually dark or not in this bit. Let me try and do a test of the bokeh effect as well. So this is the setting that is just again on the top of your camera. So you just push it and you can turn defocus on or off, and that will give you the smooth blurry backgrounds that you get behind you, so you really pop off from your video, or it'll turn it off if you're somewhere where you want the scenery to really shine through rather than just your face. But I'm going to do it on one of these leaves. I'm going to do that now. Okay, so this is with the bokeh effect off. So the setting it actually comes up as is clear, but now if I hit the button, woohoo! Look how sexy that is. That's amazing. Should I push the button again? Whoa. And again. Whoa! Can we also appreciate how good the audio was on that? I'm standing behind the camera. Behind! Look how loud I am. Literally amazing. One of the other things that I didn't mention earlier on is that there is a red recording light on the front as well, which is so handy. There were a couple of times today on my RX where I thought I'd hit record. I actually hadn't, so I was talking to myself for about 10 minutes until I looked back and thought, uh-oh, got to do that again. So this is awesome. Easy way to know whether I'm recording. The sound is so good straight out of the camera. And one more really cool fact that I can give you as to why I'm loving this camera is that if I wanted to plug a microphone in, of course I can do that. But what's even better is I can plug my headphones into that jack socket port on the side and listen back to my videos when it's really windy or I'm outside and it's quite hard to hear, because let's face it, it's always quite difficult to hear yourself back unless you are at home in a quiet room. So again, amazing. Well done, Sony. It's a bit of a ditch there.
Numero 3, clairs. Number 3, easy operation. It is super easy to use to get professional, slick looking footage.
Third and final lockdown vlog test is going to be a makeup tutorial. So for all of you that normally shove your hand behind a product to make it focus on it rather than focusing on your face, this could well be the part of the video that's going to capture your interest. Fingers crossed. So first up, I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I use a felt tip pen basically. This one, ooh, look at that, that was quick. And back to my face. Okay, that's pretty good. So this is a Rimmel pen. Okay, nice. And then mascara. So I use Too Faced Better Than Sex, and it is very good. Look at that. Lovely. Patronus. If I could wink, I'd be doing that right now. Let me get a little bit closer. Do a harder test. Okay, makeup brush. Ooh, fluffy. The thing that I use on my skin illuminator. The foundations and things are normally in moisturisers. Normally things that you see people struggle with. Should I do that again? Here's my face. Here's my skin illuminator. Here's my face. Here's my skin illuminator. Okay, there we go. I suppose I should go check on my fudge. Oh, I'm gonna do a close-up of this. Look at that. Okay, that's the most joy that I've had in these 6 weeks. Ta-da! Okay, so I am going to put it in the fridge and check back on it maybe at the end of the day.
So there are your 3 reasons why the Sony ZV-1 is the perfect vlogging tool for you. But I'm not done just yet. There is one more thing. If you've watched so far and you're thinking, it's cool, but I'd like some more advanced features, then Hakuna Matata, Sony have sorted that out for you too. You've got plenty of functions for professional movie shooting. You've got advanced options for taking actual still photographs. Yes, that's right guys, it is not just a video camera. And if that wasn't enough, you can easily share your content to a smartphone or computer using the Sony Imaging Edge app or software. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony ZV-1, then head over to jessops.com now. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, give us a like, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching guys, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.